So here we go, from rusty hole to patina paint in less than 6 minutes. Wire brush to get the paint off, flappy wheel, polish up the metal, get your patch. First of all, mark the width, then mark the height. I'm going to bend in this now, so mark where you want the bend to be, bend it over. That's a little bit wide on the left hand side, cut that straight, and then let's mark it up. I'm going to make the first cut down the left hand side, which is a straight line, put the piece in, and once I've got the piece in there, then I'll mark the rest of it. Line the piece up with the cut on the side, and then mark it all the way around with a scribe. I'm going to do butt welds on the side here, so cut right on top of the vertical line, and I'm going to do lap welds on the horizontals, so I'm going to cut about 5mm short of the line. Check the fit, and now just cut some little notches which go right up to the line I've marked. Now tap those in. Oops, a bit fell off. And then tap it all in until the piece is perfectly flush with the rest of the metal around it. Little blaster weld through primer. And stick it in. When you've finished welding, grind it all flat, and then go back and fill in all the little holes. And when you finish that, grind it all flat again. And then I'm putting on some grey primer here to start with. A couple of coats, then I've rubbed it with a dirty hand. And then I tickled it over with some nice blue Land Rover paint on quite a dry brush to try and create the same effect of the paint that was already there. So there you are, an invisible patch weld in less than 6 minutes. See you next time.